So first, Easton. Okay, purple. That's pretty good.
It's not purple. It's purple.
Yeah, it is.
It's
Blue.
No, it's a rare common.
Glitter! Don't show your face.
It's a rare common.
Okay, Riley. Today's video, we're gonna open dumplings. So first,
Wait,
me. So I can't open it because I'm holding the camera. So I got blue, as you see, and then wait, no, don't look. Five. Okay. Probably purple. Purple.
No, that's a rare common.
Yeah. Probably glitter. Oh! Yo! Probably white. Oh, gold.